everyone. Today we will learn about the soaps and detergents. पहले हम लोग सोप के विषय में पढ़ेंगे. Soaps are sodium or potassium salt of long chain carboxylic acid and have general formula RCOONA or COOK. यहाँ R की वैल्यू C15 H31 या C17 H35 इत्यादि. कार्बन एवं हाइड्रोजन की लॉन्ग चेन हो सकता है. स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला ऑफ सोप इज R सिंगल बॉन्ड C डबल बॉन्ड O अगेन C सिंगल बॉन्ड O सिंगल बॉन्ड Na. R की वैल्यू रखने पर यह C17 H35 सिंगल बॉन्ड C डबल बॉन्ड O अगेन C सिंगल बॉन्ड O Na और इसी तरह से C15 H31 सिंगल बॉन्ड C डबल बॉन्ड O अगेन सिंगल बॉन्ड OK. यह सोप का स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला है. नाउ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस ऑफ सोप. सोप बनाने की विधि के विषय में जानेंगे. सोप्स आर मेड फ्रॉम एनिमल फैट्स और वेजिटेबल ऑयल्स बाय हीटिंग इट विद सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NaOH. This process of preparation of soap is called saponification. Fat or oil plus alkali when heated it will make soap, यानी सोडियम साल्ट ऑफ फैटी एसिड प्लस ग्लिसरॉल यानी अल्कोहल. स्ट्रक्चरल इक्वेशन इज लाइक दिस. ट्राई ईस्टर या ट्राई ग्लिसराइड CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड O सिंगल बॉन्ड CO C17H35 सिंगल बॉन्ड CH सिंगल बॉन्ड O सिंगल बॉन्ड CO C17H35 अगेन CH2 सिंगल बॉन्ड O सिंगल बॉन्ड CO C17H35 plus 3 NaOH in aqueous form. That will make CH2OH single bond CHOH single bond CH2OH glycerol plus 3 C17H35 COONA यानी सोप. Structure of soap molecule. A soap molecule is made of two parts. Number one, a long hydrocarbon part which is non-ionic part. Number two, a short ionic part containing COONA plus group. Soap molecules in which the two ends have differing properties. The ionic portion of it is hydrophilic, that is, it interact with water and soluble in water and insoluble in oil. Other end, the long hydrocarbon part is hydrophobic, यानी पानी से फोबिया है और insoluble in water but soluble in oil. We can see the structure of soap in figure. Long hydrocarbon chain which is oil soluble and short ionic part which is water soluble. Soap molecules thus form structures called micelles, where one end of the molecule is towards the oil droplet while the ionic end faces outside. This forms an emulsion in water. Soap micelles thus help in pulling out the dirt in water and we wash our clothes clean. Next, cleaning mechanism by soap. सोप कैसे गंदगी की सफाई करता है, इसके विषय में हम जानेंगे। सोप मिसल्स stay in solution as a colloid and will not come together to participate in reaction because of ion-ion repulsion. Here is micelles positive charge on sodium or potassium outside repulse each other. Thus the dirt suspended in the micelles is also easily rinsed away, basically to wash away the loosened dirt particles in the form of micelles from the surface of the cloths. It is either scrubbed mechanically or beaten or agitated in washing machine. In the form of micelles, soap is able to clean since the oily dirt is being collected in the center of micelles. Limitation of soap के विषय में जानेंगे। Soap works well in soft water and doing effective cleaning of dirt, but when you use hard water where calcium and magnesium salts present, soap react with the calcium and magnesium salts and an insoluble substance scum, enamel formed after washing with hard water. Hence, you need large amount of soap to clean. आगे यह रिएक्शन इस तरह से होता है। 2R सिंगल बॉन्ड COO Na plus CaCl2 makes R single bond COO whole का डबल Ca plus 2 NaCl. Similarly, 2R single bond COOK plus MgSO4 makes R single bond COO whole का डबल Mg plus K2SO4. Salt dissolved in hot water have calcium positive double charge, magnesium positive double charge. R single bond COO whole का डबल Ca and R single bond COO whole का डबल Mg और insoluble precipitate जिसको स्कम कहते हैं. Due to this, soap is wasted and effectiveness is reduced. To overcome this problem, detergent is used in cleaning hard water, which will be explained further in detergent. Now we will study about detergents. Detergents are cleansing agents possessing ammonium or sulfonate salts of long chain carboxylic acids that are used to clean clothes in hard water. They are also called as soapless soap. Hard water is containing calcium and magnesium carbonates, but charge end of these compounds of detergent do not form insoluble precipitate with the calcium and magnesium ions present in hard water as shown in figure. Thus detergents remain effective in hard water. Now we will see the structure of detergent. R single bond SO3 single bond Na putting the value of R, it will be C17 H35 SO3Na. Similarly, R single bond SO3 single bond K, putting the value of R, it will be C17 H35 SO3K. Now, application of detergents. Detergents are usually used to make shampoo and products for cleaning clothes. डिटर्जेंट्स का प्रयोग शैम्पू और दूसरे कपड़े धोने वाले प्रोडक्ट्स में होता है. Now, all are requested to like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon button so that notification of my next audio on light, reflection and refraction should reach you immediately so that you can take advantage of it.